What's up, everybody? It's the Blind Bearded Chef Zeke. That's me, y'all. That is me. Cake time. Let's do a cake. So I'm about to make a peanut butter chocolate chip cake right quick, and I think I'm gonna make a peanut butter buttercream and some chocolate ganache to go on top. How about that? So let's get busy right quick. All right. All right, let's make our peanut butter chocolate chip cake. In this bowl right here, I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. In there, I'm putting a half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. So that's all what's going there for our dry. Mix this up real good. Okay. In my mixing bowl, I have 2½ sticks of softened butter. Let's cream this together right quick on high speed for about 3 to 5 minutes. After that butter is creamy after 3 minutes, add 3 cups of sugar. 3 cups of granulated sugar. We're gonna mix this until this gets smooth and creamy. This is gonna take about 5 minutes. We're gonna put some, that's how you put air into your cake. So we're about to beat this for about 5 minutes. All right, after it looked like that, that's about 5 minutes. It looked like wet sand. We're about to put 6 eggs in there, but we're gonna put 1 egg at a time. So I'm gonna just listen for 1 to fall in there. Okay, 1 egg. You're gonna beat about 10 minutes. To disappear, you're gonna put the other egg. So you can do that about 6 times. All right. Let's put another egg in there. All right, that was 2. That's all right. Y'all see how creamy that is? That's all creamed up. Okay, now you want to put in there 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and you want to put in a 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter. Okay, so put that peanut butter in there. Come on, peanut butter. Let's mix that peanut butter and that vanilla extract in here. Okay, all that's incorporated. I got the sides scraped down. Now it's time to put the dry and the buttermilk. You're gonna use 1 cup of buttermilk, and then we got our dry mixture. So what you want to do is, you want to put, I'm gonna put a cup of my dry like that, and I'm gonna pour some of my wet. Okay, we're gonna do this in 3 increments. Okay, and you do not want to over mix. All right, you see our batter? There we go. Now the last thing you want to do is put in 1.5 cups of milk chocolate chips. Okay, and put that bowl over there. And you just want to fold it in. So fold in your chocolate chips. I got my oven preheating at 350 degrees. This is going to go in there for an hour. All right. Right, I'm using my 10 cup, or this might be a 12 cup tube pan. Yeah, so I would have poured my batter, but this is, as you see, this is a thick batter. It's not going to pour the way I want it to pour. So, of course, I get my ice cream scooper, and I'm going to scoop the batter right, then I'm going to level it off. Okay, I filled it up. I hope I don't have it too filled, but I put it in the oven for an hour. Alexa, set timer for 1 hour.
1 hour. Starting now.
Let's go put it in the oven. All right. It's been in there for 60 minutes. 1 hour. Where I'm at? Right here. All right. Ooh, it smells good. All right. Let me get I got my toothpick right here. Where did I put my toothpick? Right here. All right. Let's test it. All right. It's done, y'all. Okay, we're gonna let it cool for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm about to show y'all how to make the frosting. All right. All right. See our cake? Look, even I mess up. Look right here. Y'all see right here? Look at there. Apparently, some of the chocolate chips was right there at the bottom of the cake, and when I pulled it up, it made a hole right there. But that's the magic of frosting. We're going to fill that in right there, that hole right there. All right, just to show y'all, sometimes I make a little mistake too, but we're going to correct it. Okay. Let's do basic cake decorating 101. Icing. So here go our peanut butter icing. Peanut butter buttercream. I'm just gonna put some on top. Okay. Start out with a good amount. Do the top, then we'll do the sides. Okay. Let's spread this first. Turntable. Now I'm going to fill in that hole. See how spreadable our frosting is? Of course, I'm going to smooth everything out. Make sure I get the insides. All right, so let me do this cake for y'all. Then, after I do this, I'll put the chocolate, sprinkle some do some chocolate ganache on it. So there go the cake with the peanut butter buttercream on there. I was gonna put some chopped peanuts on top, but I don't have any chopped peanuts, so I'm gonna put some chopped almonds on top. Okay. Then put this to the side. Let me show y'all my ganache. Right here, I made some ganache. So what I put in here is 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, 1 tablespoon of butter, and about a half a teaspoon of vanilla. So if you want to drip this on your cake right now, you could. But what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, let it chill for a while, so that way I can put it in my pastry syringe and syringe it over the cake. All right, be right back. All right, see, I got this. I got the sliced almonds on top. Now, right here, y'all see how the ganache has stiffened up. I put it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. See there? Now I can put it in my pastry syringe and pipe it on there. All right, 10 minutes. Okay, there go the cake. I did my best with it. However it looked, that's how it looked. All right, there go our peanut butter chocolate chip cake with peanut butter, buttercream, chocolate ganache, and shredded almonds on top. because I didn't have peanuts. All right. We're going to taste it in a few minutes. It's cake time. It's cake time. What's up, y'all? It's time to... Yes, I cut a big old piece off because I am going to eat the entire piece of the cake when I go get my glass of milk. All right. Let's go on and take a piece of this bad boy. I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. Delicious. Of course, it's a dense cake. Because it's a pound cake with all this butter in it. And buttermilk. I'm going to get a piece up here with the ice in there. Where I'm at? Right here. Well, let me set it down. Instead of trying to show y'all. The piece right here with the ice in it. Right here. Oh, that's good. All right. As I say, y'all seen the blind man make it. Go make you some. Bye.